Hello, welcome back to my channel. Let's coil this hair together from this to this. Just luscious coily coils using hot water. So this is going to be the process. You make sure your hair is knotted. So when you braid up to where you want the coils to stop, you make sure you knot your braid properly, and then make sure your hair is also trimmed. Now I am braiding 6 braids together, and you have to braid really tightly to get tighter coils. So if you want your coils to be more loose, braid loosely, like where I am braiding at the moment. So braid loosely, and the higher the number of braids you braid together, the looser the coils are going to be. So if I had braided, at the moment I am braiding 6 braids, and I have them two into the 3 legs of the braids. If I am to braid 3 every single time I braid, I am going to get smaller, tighter coils. So you can go as high as you want or as low as you want, depending on the type of coils you want. So after that, I went ahead to trim the hair again, dipped it in hot water, patted it dry with a towel, sprayed some leave-in gel or holding spray, and you will see. So let's just watch. Please don't skip the ads as you watch, that way I can make money from this video. God bless you. Thank you.